much powder?
Oh,
The definition is guys who fuck rats in the butt.
You can't do that.
Wait,
For
one
real?
of the definitions of powder rat is guys who fuck rats in the butt.
In an effort to attain the rat essence.
That can't be real.
Do they mean like rats, like actual like rats, or like prison rats? You did.
To obtain their rat essence. That's what I call shrouding guys.
You need to have some serious anatomical
Jesus.
variants to make that happen.
Sicky Narnar Shroud. So the power rat. The powder rat. Getting the
Hey, what'd you do
essence
this
of the
weekend?
rat.
Some powder ratting.
Shrouding the sicky sick
I'm
Narnar.
trying to attain my rat essence.
You're trying to obtain your rat essence, getting sicky Narnar.
That sounds like some
shrouding
magic,
guys.
some like magic card game stuff.
Magic the Gathering, where you can powder rat the Shrouding
Here you
You
go.
just get powder rat on Shroud.
I get it like it's your laughing that's getting me. Nothing about the ass. The ass. I don't even know.
Please read the definition of powder rat one more time. That's what needs to happen right now.
Guys, a fuck rats. Guys that fuck rats in the butt in an effort to attain the rat essence.
Are there other variations of that word? Like more
Yeah, what's
uses?
the verb of that?
Excuse me, could you use that in a sentence?
Can I get that in verb form?
There are others that are less obscene. A group of outdoor enthusiasts that ski and ride their bikes all over natural vistas in order to, in search of a.
How did those two things become
I
similar?
hadn't seen this part. So all of that, they're in search of a muskrat semen.
What? This is not real. This is not real.
Monks that brew a special energy drink made up of a rat's milk and rat semen that enables them to endure long car rides with sod.
You gotta be kidding me.
No, dude.
This is more talk about rat butt sex than I ever thought I was gonna hear in my whole
Who knew that was even possible?
That's what happens when you go on shopping, guys. Jesus, sticky.
What the fuck, Vermont?
WTF, Vermont?